Hello, my friends. I want to help you kick off 2021 with a clear mind. Today we're going to have a guided meditation to help you with a clear mind so that we can start this new year off right. I just want you to find a comfortable seated position. You can sit on a chair or a cushion and just take a minute to close your eyes. With your eyes closed, we're going to check in with our breath, check in with our bodies, inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the nose, feeling the coolness of the air on your in-breath and how the breath is naturally warmed with your exhale. All that we have is this present moment. Anything that comes up from the past, we're thinking of right now, and any future projection that we have, we're thinking of right now. So right now, we're going to check in with our body. Not only are we going to observe our breath, we're going to listen. What do you hear right now? Even if your eyes are closed, what do you see? Do you see any colors dancing behind your eyes? And what do you taste? What do you smell? What about the sensations in your body? Do you feel any sensations in your abdomen? Are you warm? Are you cool? What are the sensations in your body? Do you feel the coolness of the air on your skin? Just really take some time to check in. And with your next exhale, relax even further. Relax, release, let it all go. There's nothing you need to do. There's nowhere you need to go. If any thoughts or emotions arise, we're going to observe them like a cloud passing through the sky. Just observe it and then let it go. Your job right now is to keep bringing your awareness back to this present moment over and over again. Coming back to your breath. Just staying with it. If there's any stories that arise, let them go. Let your breath anchor you in this present moment. You can use the mantra Sat Ham as you inhale and exhale. Perhaps you have a very busy mind. Try it with me on your in-breath. Say Sat. Exhale, Hum. Sat. Hum. Continuously coming back to your breath over and over again. And commit to yourself that you're going to do this several times a day. Check in with your breath. Check in with the stories that we're telling ourselves. This will help us drop the stories that are not serving us anymore. Relax your shoulders on your next exhale. Release any tension that you're carrying in your jaw. Release the tongue from the roof of your mouth. And just stay with it for a few more moments, allowing yourself this time, giving yourself permission to release. Giving yourself permission to revel in this present moment. It can be so expansive. Not reaching for a sensation, not reaching for an experience, just allowing whatever is happening to happen. Good, just take one more deep breath. And slowly open your eyes, wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, maybe move around a little bit. Nice work. I hope you're feeling a lot clearer right now. I really appreciate you joining me today. I would love it if you would leave a comment and share it with a friend. And let me know what your plans are for the new year. Until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.